Hi, boys and girls. It's time for Sounds with Mr. Slates. Today we're going to learn a new sound. If you remember, I'm going to say 3 words. Echo each of my words and listen for the same sound in each of the words. Are you ready? Say swing. Say fang. Say gong. Listen more carefully. Swing. Fang, gong. What sound do you hear alike at the end of each of these words? Why is there a pig nose on the screen? Do you know why? Because the sound is Can you say it with me? Where do you think that sound is coming from? Here's a test. Take your finger, put it under your nose. I know it seems funny. Put your teeth together and go, Do you feel warm air on your finger? That's because this sound comes from your nose. That's right, it's coming from your nose. Let's see what letter or letters makes the sound. Are you ready? Swing, fang, gong. What letter or letters do you see alike at the end of each of these words? You're right. It's N and G together. Now, we need to be very careful with this sound, don't we? When you go on the swing, you don't say, I go on the swing. I don't hear that G sound. I don't hear the sound at the end of the word. It's just Now, what letter do you notice right before the NG? What kind of a letter is that? Do you remember? You're right. It's called a vowel. Right before the NG comes a vowel. So here's what you need to know. In English words, NG is always at the end of a word, and it's right after a vowel. Let's test our to see if it's a vowel sound. Do you remember our test from last time? Let's start with, is my mouth open? Say Is your mouth open when you say that sound? No. My teeth are like this, and my lips are spread apart, but my mouth is technically not open. Now let's try to sing it or keep going with the sound. Let's see if it works. Okay, I could run out of breath. It definitely keeps going, doesn't it? Now test your throat and see if your throat vibrates. Is this sound voiced, meaning my voice box vibrates? Ooh, definitely. But guess what? Because my mouth is not open, this is not a vowel. So far, we've learned these letters are vowels, or these sounds are vowels, haven't we? And today, we learn that is not a vowel. And it joins some of our other special sounds, like shh, that's not a vowel. That's not a vowel. And those letters, or letter, that are not vowels are called consonants. All right, let's move on to our next sound activity. I say a big word, you echo the big word, then we're going to take off the first part of the word and say what's left. Are you ready? Say triangle. Without try, what's left? Angle. Say spectator. Without spec, what's left? Tater, like a tater tot. All right. Say wilderness. Without will, what's left? Derness. That's a big part. Say xylophone. Without xy, what's left? La phone. Say complement. Without com, what's left? Clement. Say carnival. Without car, what's left? Nival. That was a hard one. Say barbecue. Without bar, what's left? BQ. Say umpire. Without what's left? Higher. Say hibernate. Without high, what's left? Bernate. Great. Let's move on to our next sound activity. This is a new sound activity called unblending, and I have a new friend. His name is Tony. Can everyone say hi to Tony? This is not Mario, is it? Can you say hi, Tony? Tony, wake up. There's Tony. Tony's a turtle, isn't he? Tony's going to help us with our new sound activity. Can you say hi to the boys and girls, Tony? Hello. Tony says hello. So let Tony and I show you how to do this sound activity. Can you help me, Tony? Yes, Mr. Slates. Okay, so I'm going to say a word that has two sounds, but I'm going to say the full word. And then Tony is going to take apart that word one sound at a time, and you try to join him at home. Let Tony and I do the first one together. Is that okay? All right, ready, Tony? Say the word my. My. Can you break that word into its two parts? I. Did you hear that, boys and girls? I makes the word my. So watch on the screen. I. Let's do another one. You join Tony. You ready? Tony and boys and girls, say two. Two. Can you break that into its two parts? T. Ooh. Did you hear that? Let's do another one. Say an. An. Can you break it into its two parts? A. Did you hear that? All right, two more. Say bye. Boy. Break it into its two parts. I. Did you hear that? I. All right, last one. Here we go. Say on. On. Break it into its two parts. Aw. Did you hear that? Ah. All right, boys and girls. I hope that you have a great day. Thanks for joining Tony and me for Sounds with Mr. Slates.